We are all energy, surrounded by a shell called the human body. We all have different shells, some short, tall, hairy. The ego wants to compare, divide, use labels, or think we always need more, to look externally to ourselves. When you get out of the ego and to the core of the shell, to who you are, you realize we're not separate. We're all connected. We're all consciousness, experiencing life. You don't need to look externally to be complete. You already are whole, unique, a beautiful part of creation. Our attention can easily be distracted, taking our energy away from what's truly important. The questions to ask then is, where is our energy going daily? What energy are we surrounding ourselves with? And what energy am I sending out into the world? Express your true, unique self. We're not supposed to be copies. We're all unique expressions of the whole, the one. Most of us are living in programmed minds. When you start living from the heart, you move away from the ego and you open yourself to awareness, the present moment. There is no space for fear. Only the now. Only love. This is the core of everything.